Looks like we made it back in one piece.
Where did Shadow and Rouge go? Did they appear someplace else?
Those two can take care of themselves.
What's up guys, it's BoxMeow23 and today we are doing Sonic 06 yet again. Now I was quiet for like a whole minute. That's only because I just wanted to like listen to the cutscenes and stuff, but yeah. I'm so glad those levels are over and done with. Now I can just move on and then just finish off this story and yada yada yada. You know what I mean. Alright, let's just get down to business. Where do I go from here?
My God! I've seen this technology before. This ring was being controlled remotely, puppeteered by somebody else. This is the receiver. Yeah, but where's the transmitter? Just don't get too big for your loafers, Buster Brown. Cocky Morty could lead to some big
There we go. Wait, did we do it right or did we just break the game? Oh god, now I have to do... What's this called? Radical Train. Okay, let's just get through this level, shall we? I feel motivated, let's go! I can't wait to beat this game! Oh god. There we go, there we go, there we go.
Can you find a switch anywhere?
Oh god, am I gonna fall off? Okay, good. Why is there even scales here? Alright, we're gonna have to go fast mode. Okay, there we go. We did good. Alright, there we go. She's jumping. Oh shit! Oh my god! I know, right? Wait, where do I go from here? Oh, over here! Right, there we go. Right there. Open this door. Open the door! Alright, here we go. What? I didn't even touch anything. Come on, hurry up! Let's do this! Come on! I feel a lot better now since after I defeated those levels, man. Oh crap, I nearly fell. Well, I'm not gonna go on top of the trains. I wanna run. Oh no, I'm stuck. Alright. Okay. What? Oh. Yeah, but like, I have to deal with robots while they just have to ride a train. What could I do? Hurry up! Alright, now let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Go, 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 go. Oh my god, hit the switch! All I have to do is hit the switch. Oh shit. Oh shit, 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 shit. Hurry up! Alright, alright, we go. Come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up! Alright, defeat this bastard. Alright, there we go. So we're doing good so far. That's good. Alright. Now I have to do plan B. Is avoiding enemies and completing the mission. That's easy. Very easy.
This is trains.
Oh no, not this one. Oh shit. I just realized this is a fast level. Oh no, 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 no. Oh shit, 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 shit. You've got to be kidding me. Alright, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my god. Oh, no, 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 no.
Yes.
Oh, I thought I was dead. I thought I was dead. Okay, I'm doing good. Wow, this is my first time. This is honestly stressful. How?
Almost there. Elise, hang on. Yes.
Yes, I got a life. Yes! First try! First try! Jesus Christ, that was my first time I think I'd ever complete a speed section first try. Jesus.
Just made it.
That's my first time I think I've ever done that. Hell yeah. I'd say it's one of my most successful, like what's it called, map I've ever done.
You had to.
Seriously. Oh, it's no use!
This time, there will be no more interruptions. The ablest trigger must die.
What if he doesn't want to die? It's no use.
So, how was your little walk?
It was so good. I just wanted to walk again. Seriously, like she always gets kidnapped. Do me a favor. Stop getting kidnapped, you moron. Oh, here we go. We got the hedgehogs. We got the hedgehogs.
Why are you getting in my way?
I'm Shadow. Shadow the Hedgehog.
Shadow the Hedgehog.
It's so funny how it's some character always has to jump in, like, to fight him for silver. Seriously, like, first it was Amy, now Shadow. Like, where do these characters keep coming from? Like, Shadow just appeared out of nowhere, he just, like, jumped.
Now stop it. You have nowhere to go.
Death is one way. Exactly.
So what are you going to do, Princess? Do you plan to jump?
Sonic!
You won't get away that easily.
Lol. At least we don't have to save her again. Thank God. Heaven forbid. Baby back. Baby back. Baby back, baby back, baby back, baby back. Chili's baby back ribs. barbecue sauce. Defeat Egg Genesis. So he needs to come up with better names. Like Egg Sack. That'd be a good name. Egg Sack. Defeat Egg Sack.
You think you can intimidate me with just your size? Come on, let's see what you can do.
Size do matter. When your face gets this sack of shit, then probably size do matter. Alright, so we got it. Where the hell did Elise go? Not that I care, but like, where did she go? Why is it always that? It's always Sonic, but like Elise is like disappeared. This is too easy. Die, you pest. It's gonna do it again? Wait. Shut up, princess, I know how to run. There we go. It's dead. Oh shit, it's gonna crash. He's packing heat.
Too easy. No
That's
sweat.
what I said. This is probably one of my favorite parts so far of this series. Literally, I felt like this is one of my most successful. As what's it called? I beat the speed section my first time. It doesn't matter about the life I lost before, but as long as I beat the speed section, it's all that matters. And we also beat this bastard, and yeah. That sounds pretty good to end an episode. So, thank you guys for watching. This Box Me 123 out.